Hey, I'm JR, and these are the Alpine S-Series speakers, available in a wide variety of sizes, everything from a small 4-inch and a 5 1/4, 6.5, 5x7, and 6x9 coax speakers, that's where the tweeter's built in, to a 6.5 and a 6x9 component style speakers. This is the 6.5-inch here, where the tweeters are separate from the woofer and the basket to give you a little bit better imaging. So a nice variety of sizes. Let's talk about what's available in those sizes. The 4-inch and the 5 1/4 include a 3/4-inch silk dome tweeter, while the rest of the series speakers include a 1-inch silk dome tweeter. Silk is a great material for speakers, especially for tweeters, because it gives you sort of a smooth, buttery sound on the high frequencies. You're going to love how clear things are. The woofers are a carbon fiber reinforced plastic with a good rubber surround, meaning they're durable, they'll last a good long time in your car, and they'll sound crystal clear with pretty good bass as well. If you are considering replacing the speakers in your car to get better sound, these would be a good choice for that. You can certainly pair them up with a factory radio. You will, however, be very rewarded if you give them a little bit more power. Say, for example, from an aftermarket radio, or maybe even an amplifier, like say an Alpine S-Series amp. The more power you give these things, the better they will sound. The component systems, of course, do include that separate tweeter. However, the crossover is built in line with the tweeter, so you don't have a separate box or a separate crossover to install, making them a little bit easier to install than your typical component speaker system. These speakers get consistently positive reviews from our customers on our website, so we know that people are really digging the sound, how great they sound both with factory radios, and the people that give them more power love them even more. One of the things that's consistently commented on is just how well built they are, how beefy they are, how strong they are. Part of that is because of that big strong magnet on the back of it. You'll really know when you get these in your hand that you've got a pretty quality product. If you have any questions about getting these fit into your car, give us a call or chat with us online. An advisor can help you determine if you need any brackets or wiring harnesses. You get those free when you buy your speakers from Crutchfield. So if you have any questions, give us a call, chat with us online. We're here to help you get the right speakers for your car.